Our next destination is Abu Dhabi Heritage Village, and as we step into it, we are instantly transported back in time, to a land before the rise of glass towers and shimmering highways. Nestled along the tranquil shores of the Arabian Gulf, this open-air museum is a tribute to the Emirates' proud Bedouin roots, carefully preserved amidst the modern marvels that now surround it. The scent of frankincense lingers in the air. We pass by a traditional souk, where handcrafted pottery, silver jewelry, and hand-woven fabrics bring the spirit of old Arabia to life. Each corner here whispers stories of survival, of how Emiratis lived off the desert sands and the sea. Long before oil changed their destiny, we walk past wooden dhow boats, once used by pearl divers and fishermen, standing as proud reminders of Abu Dhabi's maritime legacy. Just beyond the village walls, stretching endlessly along the coast, is the magnificent Abu Dhabi Corniche. Skyscrapers rise in the distance like modern-day mirages. Their mirrored glass reflects the soft blues of the sky and the sparkling waters of the Arabian Gulf. Between tradition and progress, this contrast is stunning, a living portrait of how far the nation has come, without forgetting its roots. Families cycle along the Corniche promenade, children play in the parks, and joggers pass by as the sea breeze gently brushes their faces. The pristine beach shimmers under the golden sun, while sailboats dot the horizon like tiny paper birds floating over silk. The calm rhythm of waves meeting the shore becomes the perfect soundtrack to this serene landscape. The breathtaking panoramic view of the Abu Dhabi Corniche unfolds before your eyes. The calm blue waters of the Arabian Gulf stretch endlessly, gently meeting the pristine white promenade lined with palm trees. Skyscrapers shimmer in the distance, rising like sentinels over the city, while the curve of the Corniche road hugs the coastline gracefully. The contrast between the old-world charm of the heritage village and the modern skyline paints a perfect picture of Abu Dhabi's rich blend of tradition and progress. It is a perfect place for photo shoot. Standing here, we feel the heartbeat of Abu Dhabi, a city where history, heritage, and modern luxury coexist in perfect harmony. It's not just a place to visit, but a journey to feel, to experience the soul of the UAE from its sand-covered past to its skyline-touched future.